So girls, we need to find the surface area of this. Okay, here's how I'm going to start. Okay, here's what it looks like from the top. Okay, right now if you look at this shape from the top, it will look like this. Okay, can you see that? So we need to find the area of that top circle as well as the leftover gap of the big circle from the base. But instead of finding two separate areas, if I just find the area of just the whole circle of that base, doesn't that include the top and the leftover annulus altogether? Yeah. Can you see that? Yeah. So let's just find the area of this big circle. So let's just start off. Surface area equals pi r squared. That's obviously the formula. Pi times the radius of this circle is half of 30, which is 15 squared. Yep, which includes the area of the top automatically. If I do that, what do I need to do to this? Because the circle is also attached to the bottom, times by 2. Yep. What else do I need to find? Now let's look at the curved surface, all right? So if I want to find the area of the curved surface, like I said, it's 2 pi r h. So that's plus 2 pi times the radius of this circle is 8 times the height is 10. Okay? Plus, what's my last one? Yep, area of the big curved surface of the bottom cylinder. So finding the red part. So 2 pi times the radius is 15 times 10. So girls, that's what I really wanted to point out. It's just a lot easier if you just find the area of the whole circle, which includes that top and the annulus. Yep? Alright, now, paying attention to the next example. Now, this is an open top, okay? We need to find the area of the outside of the cube, which is fine. The hard part is we also need to find the area of the triangle inside that cube. Can you picture that?
Yes.
Alright, let's start with that since it's difficult. Alright, girls, within this triangle, let's take that one for an instance. I need to know what that is because that is the height of the triangle inside the cube, yes?
Yeah.
So that whole thing's 12, so that means this is 6. We want to find out what that is. Let's label it X.
Pythagoras.
Yeah, but hold on. Oh no, we can't use that triangle. We don't even know what that is. Okay, wrong triangle. Sorry, girls. Alright, okay. Oh, this is how you're supposed to look at it. Sorry, girls. Have a look at this. Okay. Girls, looking on the side, what's the length of that?
12.
Yeah, can you see? Oh, sorry, I'm trying to be really accurate here. Girls, can you see from the side view the length of the square on the side of the cube is 12? Yeah? And what's the length of that? That's right, that's 6. Yep, if this is, so it's like half of 12, but we're looking at a certain angle in 3D version. Can you see that? And that's what we're trying to look for. Okay, because originally it was like this. Okay, wow, it's pretty, as you can see, it's quite tricky. The right angle is there. So if I use Pythagoras, let me just, did you already do it? 13.4. Yeah. Okay. That's actually quite the difficult part that a lot of students aren't able to see when they, let's call it meters, aren't able to see. Picking out the right triangle to actually find the height of the triangle. It doesn't actually come that easily. Alright, so once we know that, to find the area of now this triangle here, so this is 13.4. So how do I find the area of that triangle? So right now, I'll just rewrite it. 13.4 here.
12.
That's 12 there. Yep, so now we're ready. So the surface area equals, it's a triangle, so half times 13.4 times 12. And how many are there? 4. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
321.6.
Hold on. I'm just going to do everything at once. Now, girls, listening, the easy part. What are we going to find?
The cube.
The cube's outside. That's just 12 times 12. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? the area of the hemisphere. What was the surface area formula for a sphere? Surface area of a sphere, remember, is 4 pi r squared. So in our case, we got 2 pi r squared for the red bit. All right? Question. Girls, what's the radius of the hemisphere here? Yeah, 12. Yep, because half of 24. All right, so let's get into the surface area. Here's the hard part that I wanted to really point out. After we know how to figure this out, it's all done. Do you see the gap that around the circle we need to find on the square? How do we go about finding that?
Find the area.
Find the area of the circle on the base and then take it away from the area of the square. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right, so the blue part just separately. Area of the square is 24 times 24. Yep. Take away, girls, come and stay with me. Area of the circle is pi times 12 squared. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Right? So this is another part that we need to add on to. And I'm just going to keep going. Now is the easy part. What's my final part, ladies? 20, yeah, let's find the area of the square. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them again. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4 in the base. So 24 times 24 times 5.